Boneyard Garage here. So I went to Harbor Freight today and bought this little welding cart for my new MiG welder. This is just a cheap little, I think it was $39. I didn't want to get too big of one. I don't have much room, so. It looked like it was okay at Harbor Freight up on the display. So I'm going to get it together and see how it is. Okay, so I have it all out of the box, and it looks pretty good. Not bad for 39 bucks. So instructions say you gotta put on the wheels and the casters first. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I got the casters on. The next step is putting these uprights on like this. Okay, so we got the base done and the shelves on. The next step we got to do is go ahead and put the back on. Okay, so I have them all the shelves on there. Now I just got to tighten everything up. Okay, so I got the welder on the little cart. Works out pretty nice. Got my helmet here, some gloves up there with a little storage. Got my ground cable and my plug wrapped around that one. And my gun on here. Tank goes in the back, some chains around it. I bought a couple of these little things here, you know, magnet. You want to weld something together. But yeah, comes out pretty good. I like it. Now it's all one spot. I can roll it outside and do some welding. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. You know that routine, hit that thumbs up or the thumbs down, whatever. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Okay guys, on yard out.